Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by naming the answerer and stating the category. This locks the scope and saves wasted guesses. Once done, ask your first broad, high-value question. Can it fit in your hand? Is it living? Or is it man-made? Because these split possibilities quickly. Make sure to confirm how to treat partial truths. Treat sometimes as uncertain and follow with one clarifying question. This first round creates a decision tree. It sets the tempo and primes everyone to think in binary halves. Now you move into the middle, where precision matters. Ask questions that split remaining options roughly in half, because that minimizes total queries. Once you have 3-4 confirmed traits, focus on eliminating large groups, material, era, region, or primary use. Make sure to record answers in chat so everyone sees the evolving checklist. This prevents repeat questions. If contradictions appear, pause and request one short clarification question to reconcile answers. Finish by making a clear, confident guess when you've narrowed to 1 to 3 options. Announce it to the group and give the answerer one chance to confirm or deny. If you're wrong, use the last questions to test close alternatives quickly, because those are the highest yield moves. If things go wrong, ambiguous answers, lag, or disagreement, pause and ask one clarifying yes/no, or ask the answerer to restate the secret in one word. This prevents wasted rounds and resolves conflict fast.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.